Hello, my name is Chaitanya Goyal. I recently completed from Bachelor of Computer Application from Punjab University Patiala.
Hello, my name is Kuldeep. I am from Namba. I did my bachelor's in computer application from Punjab University Patiala.
I am here come Meander software to do my front-end development course, and here the developers are very experienced who are helping in improve of my skills, and this Meander software is very user-friendly environment, and please visit the Meander software. It is very good to learn and help you enhance your skills.
Currently, I am pursuing my master development course from Meander software. Overall staff is very good, environment is very positive, and the developers, they teach us very supportive, and they clear all the doubts during the training offered in my program. If you start your career in IT sector, you must visit Meander software.